Hello guys! So, for today's vlog is kukunin na ni Mr. yung electric truck. Ayan, see you there guys. See? Ito yung last drive niya dito. Parang mamimiss ko tong sasakyan na to guys. Ayun. Sa likod. Ayun siya. We're here na Long Lewis. Stop. We're here. We're back here. See you guys. Blue Mustang guys. Makita yung price dito. Tingnan natin. Makita pala. Oh, 64,000 guys yung Mustang. So ayun guys, kukunin na ni Mr. yung kaniyang tinitrade in na sasakyan guys nito. Yan silang dalawa guys, pabalik-balik. So yan yung ni Mr. guys, dealer. So parang magkapareho lang sila ng taas, yung height, kaso after dito mag-order ka ng mga parts sa sasakyan. Mas maliit lang siya. Mas malaki yung tiyan ni Mr. So hello guys, sa kasamaang palad. Charot, sa kasamaang palad. So hindi namin nakuha ngayon yung bagong sasakyan guys dahil hindi siya na-charge. So sinabihan naman ni Mr. yung dealer na kukunin niya mga 12 to 1. Sabi ng dealer kahapon magpapatawag siya pag anong oras pumunta si Mr. So sinabihan niya na mga 12 to 1. So pagdating namin doon guys is hindi pa nila na charge. So kailangan kasi ni Mr. na makikita niya yung 90% charge talaga yung battery ba, para sure nga ang battery is okay, dili daot no. So ganun ba. So 3 hours nila i-charge. Pwede makuha ni Mr. ngayon at 5. Pero sabi ni Mr. bukas na niya kunin. So ngayon is nandito si Mr. sa State Farm sa insurance. Inasikaso din niya yung insurance ng truck. And then after kay kunin namin si Ethan. Ethan is here. Look at you. My favorite Spanish bread. Thank you, madam. Guys is nag-uwan na. Grabe kahangin. Si Mr. Baka matumba itong tanim ko. Wow. Warning kasi pero dili. Oh, see? Look! Oh, no! Hello guys! It's another day, another video. No, paan guys, continue natin yung ating vlog kahapon na hindi natin natatapos. And then, nakuha na ni Mr. yung guys, yung sasakyan. And then, let's go outside guys. Papakita ko sa inyo yung loob. Ang dami niyang ang dami pang gagawin. Ang daming gagawin. Kailangan pa niyang mag set up ng wire para sa para ma-charge niya. Kung naka-charge naman siya, full charge naman siya doon. Para lang pag naglobat ba. Meron naman mga charging station dito pero hindi pa talaga masyadong marami. So mag-water din ako sa aming mga tanim. So let's go outside guys. Ay, si Ethan gustong lumabas. Oy, walang klase ngayon. It's Saturday. Say you guys. Ang sunblock. Si Ethan mo nag-sunblock. Ay, tingnan yung ating banana. Ang laki na ng banana. Oh, you have to be good ha. No swimming sa kay it's cold. Later na, wala, namatay na yun akong eggplant. The eggplant is dying. Ang akong banana guys, ang kanang kuan. Ato ning i-harvest ang alugbati. Let's go! Ang gulo ng aming kuan guys eh. Balay. So ito na siya guys. Ayan. Bagong bago. Bagong bago. Bagong utang. New.
The problem is, the other side, I'd be against.
Baga guys, dahil sa lakas ng hangin kahapon ay ayan, nasira yung aming mga palaba dito. Ayan. Ayan siya. Grabe yung hangin kahapon. Hindi na niya si Ethan. What? What, Ethan? Ethan? Yeah, here.
Huh?
Hello, where's the other one?
I don't know. It's supposed to be 5 or 6.
Ay, there, husband.
Where?
There.
Yeah, way down in there.
Grabe ang lakas ng hangin kahapon.
Let's pick up some more. It's tore up.
That's from Kuan Bargain Hunt.
Is it?
Baby, you cannot get out. Yeah. Bargain Hunt.
Huh?
You bought that at Bargain Hunt together with that, I guess.
Or did I buy them down at, not Mike's, but at,
La 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 la.
What, man? What are you doing?
Let's gonna cut the grass na.
They're going to run tractor more across. They're going to wait till the afternoon to do it. It'll be dry out a little bit. It's wet, so wet right now it'll clog up bad. So, and everything.
Oh man.
You need to get these weeds out, man.
Guys, ang taas na ng aming ano guys, oh. Mga kanang sagbot, oh.
Get them weeds, man. It's not supposed to be in here. Get the weeds coming up. That mulch in here.
Let's get all the weeds here. Look at that.
Where's the mulch up?
Mm, the weeds guys, no. Anong ginagawa mo, Marjin? Hindi ka nagtrabaho dito. My husband gonna say, what are you doing? Every day, they just go and do something. Ay, it's dirty! Ano ka, uy? Dirty pala is wipe it sa... Hold on.